Marching through slush and snow like a good soldier unwilling to fail at her mission, Davenport mail carrier Sheryl McClanahan is keeping a promise to those on her route.
I actually enjoy what I do.
She feels fortunate enough to have put up with days like this for a lucky 13 years, having delivered love letters, tax papers, Christmas presents, and anything else trusted to those neither rain nor sleet nor snow people.
They help grip into ice.
It's not just dogs. On days like this, frost bites, and at every step, there's potential for injury.
We had a carrier suffer concussion falling on ice a couple years ago.
Why would you put yourself through all of this if it's not safe? And tomorrow, most people may just stay in because it's so nasty.
It's our job. When you're hired, basically you're here, whether it is beautiful 78 degrees, whether it's real hot at 104 degrees, or if it's 20 below like it was last winter.
It's more than loyalty to duty that keeps Sheryl seeing the sunny side of storms like this. A year and a half ago, she nearly died.
I was in a motorcycle accident a year and a half ago.
She spent 3 weeks in a coma. It took 3 months of light duty to return to full strength.
So as the snow flies and people think, I'm not going out, it's not worth it, you wouldn't have it any other way.
No, I wouldn't. I'll come out here and do that. It's not pleasant some days. We all, once in a while, crab about the little things in life. These little things I'll get through. You have a good day.
May not be the place you'd spend a nasty winter storm, but for Sheryl McClanahan, there's no place she'd rather be than keeping that promise and completing her rounds.
I'm thankful I'm here.
In Davenport, Chris Williams, WQAD Quad Cities News 8.